Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Stalker 2 error code 0xbdb2e, and this basically just crashes on the Xbox Game Pass. And let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is that if you have any corrupted save files, just go ahead and delete them or remove them, and you can do this by going over to load, and then from here, just if you think like any of these save files are corrupt, let's just say you like, it's for example this one, I go into load into this one and it just crashes. That means this is most likely the corrupt save file, and you can go ahead and delete it by clicking R or whatever the equivalent is on console. Or to be safe, you can just remove all of them except the last one, so your entire account doesn't get deleted. But yeah, so just remove all of the save files except the last one, and that can also help fix the issue. The second method you guys can do is just go over to the Xbox Game Pass. So we can X out. We can go over to the Xbox Game Pass, right click on Stalker 2. From here, go over to Manage, and then from Manage, go to Files, and then click on Verify and Repair. And this can also remove any corrupted files as well. And yeah, and then you can also do this basic things like restarting your PC, restarting the application, and then doing these things should help fix the issue. And yeah, that should be it for the video. That is how to fix the error code. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.